fun before I met you. I drink too much and that's an issue, but I'm okay. Hey, just tell your friend it was nice to meet them, but I hope I'll never see them again. I know I break your heart, mom, that I sit in a broken car, and 4 years still close, and I'm looking pretty in a hotel bar, and I can't stop. No, I can't stop. So baby, pull me closer in the backseat of your Rover that I know you can't afford. Write that tattoo on your shoulder, pull the sheets right off the corner of the mattress that you stole from your roommate back in Boulder. We ain't ever getting older. We ain't never getting older. We ain't never getting older. You look as good as the day I met you. What I'm just doing you fun before. Tatlo ka man! Ikaw ka kasi! Ikaw tatlo ka eh! Hey, I'm just doing you fun before.